Alright, we in here, gave it a couple hours to die down. I guess, you know, let that RTV silicone cure. Alright, so we in here. We gonna let it bang. See what's really good. Just really finished all the NWP spacing, did all that. So pretty much now all that's left to do is to start it, you know. Gave us required wait time. So let's see what it look like, baby. Alright, I wanna make sure I got the hood open too. Want to catch all this, you know what I'm saying? Make sure everything is sounding good. Okay. Sound good. Technically don't have any leaks, anything like that. You know, it's just a startup. I'll give it a drive test, see what's up, but as of right now, everything is good. No check engine light. Everything is real quiet. Sounds good. Sounds real good. Okay.